The design here uses an option on the gCADPlus drop-down menu called URL and Entity. If we go on to Layout Space Species 3 and I pick a piece of text to describe the image under it, it's a Santolina, a cottonwood lavender, I can use gCADPlus URL and Entity, pick the entity, and then paste into the input URL box the full path, including an HTTPS to a particular site where we know that image is stored, and we'll OK it. Now, when we unselect all and double click on Santolina chemiciparis, because the URL is stored behind it, that'll go straight to this image and present a full size image to a user. Let's try it. And there we are, it's gone out to the internet to give us a full size image. Now that can help your clients if you embed those sort of links. Let's return to gCADPlus. That can help your users if you are in the habit of giving them a series of pages illustrating these species that are used in the design, and you want them to have the ability to look at the flowers and foliage detail. You can invite them to download the demonstration copy of gCADPlus and give them the drawing. They won't be able to alter it because the demonstration version of gCADPlus is not able to write file, but they can look at your design, move around in it, and look at all of these images in some detail. I've made the images here in this one relatively large, but they could be little thumbnails, so one page of thumbnails can have maybe 20 or 30 links to individual species. So the URL, attach that to some text. It has to be Windows text using a Windows TrueType font, and if you do that, then your users can jump out and look at photos of the species that you specify.